Who am I?
I am TV, internet, and phone made easy.
I'm the bearer of good things.
I am the future.
I am 0% satellite.
I am 100% Suddenlink.
Roller derby is a mix among NASCAR, football, and hockey. Our Cenla Derby dames showed me the techniques needed while on the rink. Gameplay is a series of short matchups called jams. Both teams designate a scoring player called the jammer. The jammer scores points by lapping members of the opposing team. The team tries to assist its own jammer while stopping the opposition jammer.
Once you get older, there's really nothing for you to do, so it's kind of empowering as a woman, and it's great for self-esteem and keep in shape for sure. Plus, it's just fun. It's a whole family of sisters out here, and it's just good people.
Their next bout is Saturday, July 21st.
We'll be playing at the Expo Hall, which is behind the Coliseum, and it's a ton of fun. We only get there early at 6 when the doors open, just to get a good spot, but then the game will start at 7.
These girls dedicate their free time and work hard to be the best, so come out and support them. In Pineville, Lauren Partain, ABC 31 News.